replacing sliding door cable on the driver's side. Like this door is not opening all the way. Let's go up to here because you see there's a little cable attached in here. So the motor is no longer working because the other side is the cable is broke. I'll show you later. So we need to open this. To open the door, you need to take this one off so you can open the door all the way. So just put something in here like pry bar, or you can pull by hand too, just like this. See this little slot? It's go inside right there, then it's locked inside like this. Just pull it, it will come out. Now you can open the door all the way. You see this, the cable is broken here. The first we need to open this. To open this, there's a screw, two screws, one in here, one in there. So we need to open that screw. Take the screw off. There's one. There's another one right underneath. After this, just put the lock on. Then gently just take this off. Take the switch off, just push the tab in here. Little tab, just push the tab, it will come out. After that, when you go all the way down, like on this side, there is a one screw in here. See this? This is 8 millimeter right there. We have to take this off. Then you can just simply pull this, pry it out. Come. Same thing in here too. Just go outside, put something like pry bar or something. Just put the switch back on because we need to take the window down. There's a little plastic clip in here. Let's take the plastic off like this. So like this, it will come out. There we go. Just take this off. After that, you can slide this easily. This will come out. Simply just take whole thing out. But I will take this one out to make it easy. Just take all these 10 millimeter bolt, then I'll take this out. So after I pull whole thing down, this. See, after I pull whole thing down, there's a one 10 millimeter right there. See, it's right here. This is 10 millimeter right there. Oh, this is the one you have to take it off. And on this side, another one is right here. You see, this is another one right. This one, see this. So we need to take this 10 millimeter bolt in here, one right here, and one little screw. This. So I'm gonna take this screw off. Then one bolt here, one bolt there. After that, I can take this off, like this whole thing. Take it off. After open this screw, just gently just do this and just pull it up. Pull up. See, this easily come out. See this thing, this little groove. Just go right there like this and lock. Pull it. Just take it off. So you have to take another screw out. This one. Just one holding this thing, so I'm gonna take this off. After you open these two screws, the bolt, then you can take this easily out. See this? Take out. Just here on the top like this. Now you can take the glass. After you take this bowl from inside, two bowl out, then you can take the glass easily. Slide the glass out. Now I'm gonna take this two bowl out. So now you have to take this piece off right here. So generally it's like pull like this. It will come out little by little. This came out already. See this little group right here? This group is going inside right here like this. Inside right here, this one. So you have to just pull it up so it will come out. Now you see this one, the wire test right here. This one just fly like this. Come. See, that's the white one. So now I have to take this off. This one, the cable thing. That's the one. See, there's one knot right there, 10mm bolt. This bolt. I need to take this off. There's a two 10mm bolt right here. We need to take this off as well. See, after that is totally loose. So now we need to go inside, and from the motor I have to take this off. After you take the glass off, this thing you can just hang it right here. See, just you can leave it like this, or you can put one bowl if you want. Now I'm going to take the motor out. You have to take the connection out. This is just push it like this. See, this is the tab right here. Just push the tab and pull it. It will come out. After that, there's a 10mm ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 5. I'm gonna take this off. After opening all this screw, the bolt, just take this, pry this up, and you can simply just pull it everything. So you can make a little bit easy room here. Just push this, pull this, it will come out. See, and just you can make a little more room. And this one, this wire test was here, just put it inside. Now you have better access. And then this two cable, you just pull it like this, right here. Test it like this, and now you can pull this whole thing down. Here, so this. Just simply I can take this off like this. Out. So this is a new one. The way you take this off, just with the plier, just do like this. It will come out. See? Like this. There's a 3 screw. I have to take it off. to take this off, like same like this one. So there's a screw right here, 3 screw, 1 2 3. I need to take it off. Right here. After I open the screw out, so I have to pull this like this, pull like this. I cannot push it back this way because this is too big. It has to become like this. Now I'm gonna take, see this is attached in here. Just take it from here like this. See this? Okay, just like this. And cut the wire from here. Now simply I'm gonna just push this edges like this. Is in one hole, the gray one is right there. Just go like this. So they give you 12 like this. See this? So I just put it in like this, right here. So snap this inside. That's it. And just tie this through. Pull the wire through this hole, through all the way. It will come through this, go on this hole right there. Then 2 balls will be tied in here. So it will come from the bottom to the top like here. So this is the hole. I'm gonna pull this. See this? I can pull this through this hole, the wire and everything right there. Just pull it little by little. So tie this bolt, 2 bolts, and one in here, and this one. This is 2 3 long bolt. You see the black one I already attached. This one. So I put this one in here, the black one in the outside right there. After that, just pull this wire to make it straight. See this? This is perfect inside the groove. Now I see this. Now in this wire, so you can roll it until it's tight. So I have to put the gray one on the top, like this is a gear, is go like this, but I'm gonna put the gray one on the top because this side, I don't know why they give me the white one. This is a gray wire, so gray, this side is supposed to be on the top. So I'm gonna put the gray one on the top. See the gray one I'm putting from the top, the black one I put in the from the back, because I have the gray white in here. So after you see you feel it tight, you can pull a little bit like this. Just go little, you have, after when you pull the tie, just you can pull a little bit. You have a little bit of room, like you can pull this much. Pull straight up with this, the gear, just put it in. After that, just put this one and put 3 screw back. The easiest way to do, guys, there's so many different ways that people did that. Just first open this. I obviously have to open this first and take this off, whole thing off, and put this wire in, new wire inside, like there. Just excuse me, leave it open. This don't tie it up, leave it open, like whole roller open. And after that, come over here and push through this right there and snug this ball and put this in here. Another one is other side. After that, just pull this wire until it's tight. Then you roll this roller. You're not gonna miss like this one, which way is go, because when you're rolling this, so when it's coming this way, you will see this one come this way, the other one is come other way. So after that, just you can pull a little bit. You have a little bit of room to pull, roll. Then after pull a little bit and hook with the gear and just tie it up the screw, and that's it, guys. Thank you very much. It's working perfect. And close. All right, now just put this and put the glass back. I mean the window glass back, and everything working perfect.